Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Manuel TV. Hope you guys are keeping safe out there. Thank you so much for all your support and love. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm very happy to unbox this special gift from a sister from another womb, a lovely and caring. She's an amazing sister that YT brought us together. This is a gift from one of our sister on YT from US. All right, this is from Master Queen, the Master Queen herself. Yeah. This gift is from her, and also I have another gift from one of my subscribers that she gave me as well. So we'll be unboxing the gifts together today in this video. What I have here is an hair fryer, and it was bought for me by Master Queen. What brought this? I'm going to tell you guys later what brought this air fryer. Okay, this is something I have been, I need to get. I really need to get, even though I've checked online the price, the sizes, everything. But I was like, I need to have patience in order to get my desired size of air fryer. I don't want to get the size that I will not be able to cook for my family. So I've been patiently waiting to get big size, but finally someone bought this for me. So let's unbox this first. So this came with 2 cartons, so it was very packaged. They packaged this very well, so you can see. I will first take out the first carton from it. I'll remove the first carton from it. Finally, the first carton is out, and I will proceed to the second one. I will use my scissors to cut the sellotape they use to seal this. So here is a recipe book. Okay, these are recipes book. These are about 100 recipes. Yes, if you want to check it for maybe to prepare something for your family, you can just go ahead and check the book and see what you can cook. And it also came with manual. This is Netta product. Okay, I don't know if you have heard about it or you have seen it before, I don't know. And this one is the rack. It's called wire rack. So this one didn't come with the basket inside, but it comes with frying tank and a rack that you place inside, and then place whatever you want to fry or grill inside. Air fryer is just an healthy option for you to cook your chicken or to bake your chips without using oil, without frying with oil. So it makes your food more healthier. So it's very nice. It is good for every house to have in their kitchen. It's very nice. I have been dreaming about this for some while now to get one, but thank God finally God has sent the angel my Mansa queen to get this for me, and I truly appreciate this. Mansa queen honestly says I am very, very grateful for this gift. I am very, very grateful. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you and your family, and the Lord replenish your pocket for this. This is so precious and special to me. Okay, thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. So I will go ahead now and remove the sellotape they used to stick the frying tank so that it does not come out from the fryer. Okay, here is the tank. This is 6 liters. It's big, it's 6 liters. This is just perfect for my family. We are 5, so if I want to grill chicken, they just grill everything once. Or I want to do my chips, just once for us. Or if all of us want to take something, just to use this one. Alright, this is the tank. It's non-stick. Alright. And this is the rack. I'm just going to put the rack, this wire rack inside. Alright, this is the upper side of it, so I will place that side down on it. This is just nice, just to place something on top of it. If you want to grill something or you want to bake something in the air fryer, like just the wire rack inside. I'm just trying to go through some papers that came with this to make sure that I know what I'm doing or what I'm saying, because this is my first time having an air fryer, so I just need to read all the things that they brought with it. So I will show you guys how the inside look like. It has something like a fan. I believe that's what bring the heat, okay, from the air fryer. That is the heat. It's something like a fan, like same fan in the oven. Like I have this type of fan in my mini oven as well. So there's a fan inside that blow the heat to what you are frying there. And it also has a control panel. It has a top lid, upper housing, lower housing, everything in there. So right now I'm going to close it back and then I will turn it on. I'm going to plug it and turn it on so that you guys can see how it looks after plugging it. Here we are. I will be showing you guys all the control panel on this air fryer. It has a power button. That power button can switch this on and off it. Even when you plug it, you can switch this on and off it. It has a chop, so some to grill your chops. It has a button to fry whatever you want to fry. This is a digital air fryer, so you can see on the screen it's a digital one. You use your finger to press whatever you want to do with it. You can bake a cake, you can bake a chicken, grilled chicken from this, fish rather, your beef steak, your dry fruits, your stripe, everything you want to cook from it. So you can see it's very nice. Alright, very nice. I love this. I love it. And it also have a temperature and time button as well. If I want to increase the heat, I can increase it. If I want to reduce it, I can reduce it. So if I want to cook anything from this air fryer, the first thing to do once it's on is to press the menu. Once I press the menu, I can switch to whatever thing that I want to cook from it. I just open manual the manual is very simple to follow. All the instructions are very simple to follow, just straightforward to follow. Whatever you want to do, they've already put the time. If you want to bake, the time is already in the manual on the button to use. If you want to adjust, meaning if you bake and it's not proper, your food is not properly cooked, so you can still put it back and rebake it or fry it, recook it, something like that. So it has adjustable time there. I mean, it's 60 minutes. Yeah, 60 minutes timer on this air fryer. Can't wait to use this. I'm not using this right now. We are just unboxing, right? I'm not using this right now. So yeah, it's an air fryer from Mansa. If you don't know Mansa, it means you are just new to this channel. Most of us have it. Most of my subscribers and my viewers have Mansa who are YouTuber, who are small YouTubers like me, so they know Mansa for. But if you don't know her, a channel is going to pop in the screen. It's going to pop in the screen. So you're going to check her out. You're going to love her channel. Yes, here is my second gift from one of my subscribers. So someone got this from me. This is a coffee grinder to grind dry nuts, beans, spices, something like that. In fact, I wasn't expecting this one at all, because the lady, she lives close to me. She's from her daughter and my daughter, they are from the same school. So there was a day she told me she was expecting a delivery. I was like, what is that? She now told me it's coffee grinder. I'm like, I don't drink coffee, so I don't think I need it. He said, yeah, but it can grind other things. I was like, really? Is it something that can grind like spices, like a nut? To say yes. Oh, I was like, oh, I saw something like that online. I need to get one as well. So a few days ago, she called me that, hello Lola, she saw one grinder in Hazda, and it's something similar to our own. So if I want to get it, I say, really? I say, okay, when next time I go to Hazda, I'm going to check it out, because I always go to Hazda every month, like once in a month. So I'm going to check it out. I never knew that Hazda sells something like this there. Honestly, she was like, don't worry, I'm getting it for you. I was like, really? Say yes, I'm getting it. Like, thank you so much. So on Monday, she gave me this. I'm just unboxing it, and I love it as well. I really need something like this, even though it is small, but I appreciate this. At least it will help me to grind my dry things. I have a lot of dry things I need to grind. I always use my normal blender to do, so this will be helping me out. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and also help me appreciate Mansa. Thank you so much, sis, for this gift. Thank you so much. It was his lemon pepper chicken that brought this air fryer to me. You can check that recipe out. You're going to love it. So the first thing I will be doing with this is going to be that recipe. Okay, thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. Please guys, help me appreciate, help me thank her. She's an amazing sister. Thank you so much, Mansa. God bless you on yours. God bless you real good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye.